guys, welcome to Joe's Crafts and DIYs. Today, I just want to share with you my really easy and cheap birthday backdrop. I did this for my friend's twins. They just celebrated their 9th birthday and they originally planned on doing something else. But the day before the birthday, she decided that she'll just gonna do a small dinner with family and a couple of friends. So then I wanted to do a little bit of decoration just to make it look like it's a real birthday party. And I finished it within not even an hour. It's really easy to put together. I use plastic table cover from the Dollar Tree and some banners and balloons, and boom, that was it. So if you guys are interested in doing a cheap birthday backdrop, stay tuned and let's get into the video. Guys, my quick and easy birthday backdrop using table covers. I hope that you enjoyed this video today and I hope you can use the idea for your future parties or celebrations. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get updated for my future videos. Bye!